If you say that getting the money is the most important, you will spend your life completely wasting your time. You'll be doing things you don't like doing in order to go on living, that is, to go on doing things you don't like doing, which is stupid. Better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way.
Way outside, you said you won't be long. Took your time, racing mind. I know there's something wrong. Wonder why. Tell me why. No one else was you and I. Tell me now, talk it out. Hit it like I didn't notice, no. I think you should know you don't have to stay. Even if you go, I'll be okay. We can take it slow till there's nothing left to say. Even if you go, we'll find a way. Find my way. Find my way. I think you should know you don't have to stay. Even if you go, I'll be okay.